In 1901, divers exploring a shipwreck off the coast of Antikythera, Greece, uncovered something extraordinary. Among the treasures of bronze and marble statues, they found a corroded, unassuming lump of metal. At first glance, it didn't seem important. But as archaeologists cleaned it, they discovered gears, dozens of them intricately arranged. It wasn't just a piece of metal, it was a device. This is the story of the Antikythera Mechanism, a 2000-year-old artifact that has baffled scientists and historians for over a century. What was this ancient machine? And how could the Greeks have built something so advanced? Today, the Antikythera Mechanism is believed to be the world's first known analog computer. It's thought to have been used as an astronomical calculator, capable of predicting the motions of the sun, moon, and planets. But here's what makes it mind-blowing. Its level of complexity wasn't seen again for over 1,000 years. It's as if it came from the future, somehow hidden in the ancient past. The device dates back to around 100 BCE. It's made of bronze and originally consisted of over 30 gears, all perfectly crafted to interlock and move with precision. By turning a hand crank, the user could calculate eclipses, track the cycles of the moon, and even predict the dates of ancient sporting events like the Olympic Games. But the craftsmanship is what stunned researchers. The gears were so precisely cut, they rival the mechanics of 18th century clockmaking. Yet this was built 2,000 years ago, when such technology was thought to be impossible. The discovery of the Antikythera Mechanism raises a crucial question. How did ancient Greeks acquire such knowledge? Some believe it was the work of a single genius, perhaps the legendary Greek inventor Archimedes, who was known for his incredible mechanical creations. Others suggest it represents a lost era of advanced Greek engineering, knowledge that was later forgotten during the fall of the Roman Empire. But there's more. In 2006, advanced imaging technology revealed tiny inscriptions hidden on the device. These texts provided crucial clues about how it worked and what it was used for. The mechanism's front dial showed the position of the sun and moon in the zodiac, while the back dials tracked eclipse cycles and lunar phases. But then scientists found something even stranger. One of the dials appeared to predict an irregularity in the moon's orbit, known as the lunar anomaly. This is caused by the moon's elliptical path around Earth, something we only confirmed with modern science. Yet somehow, the makers of the Antikythera Mechanism knew about it. So how did this knowledge survive in such an ancient time? Was it passed down from earlier civilizations? Or was it rediscovered by the Greeks through careful observation of the skies? And if they could create something this advanced, what else might they have achieved that we've never uncovered? Some researchers believe the Antikythera Mechanism could be the tip of the iceberg, a hint at a much broader tradition of advanced engineering in the ancient world. But there are skeptics. They argue that this device might have been a one-time invention, built by a genius whose ideas were lost to history. Still, the discovery of the Antikythera Mechanism has reshaped our understanding of ancient science and technology. It proves that the Greeks had a far deeper knowledge of astronomy and mechanics than we ever imagined. To this day, it remains one of the most fascinating artifacts ever found, a reminder that history is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. So what do you think? Was the Antikythera Mechanism the work of one brilliant mind, a product of a forgotten era of engineering? Or could it be something else entirely, something we still don't fully understand?